Namaste everyone. So thank you for the opportunity once again to speak to the IRs today. So today we will cover some key points about the Sharp QNet air purifiers. So I think people are still joining now, so I can wait for 2 more minutes so that once it is stabilized, I can start. Once the number of people, I think it is increasing. So let us just wait for 1 or 2 minutes and then we'll start. As I said,
Okay,
today
Ms.
we will,
Mazumdar, yeah, please wait. We can wait for 2 more minutes and then start.
sorry.
Please wait for 2 more minutes and then start.
All right. Perfect. I think we should start now. Namaste
Yes,
everyone. Should we start now?
yes,
Okay. Namaste everyone. My name is S. Mazumdar. I am the National Sales Manager at Sharp. This is my privilege to join you once again today to explain you more about the Sharp QNet air purifier range. So let us start with a topic that we covered in our last presentation, that currently there is a huge opportunity available wherein most of the doctors, I'm talking about the non-COVID medical community, these doctors who are either dentists or ophthalmologists or general physicians who have been unable to start their clinic for the last 45-50 days now are gradually starting to opening up their clinic. We have discussed this opportunity last time in great detail. I'm not going into too much of detail this time, but what I'm only trying to tell you is that there is a huge opportunity available with us wherein we can approach the doctors, the doctor medical community who will be willing to buy an air purifier for their clinics as well as for their homes, because with the social distancing uh, continuing for a longer period of time, they will need air purifier to reduce the cross infection and the transmission of the droplets, which we were discussing in our last meeting. So there is a link provided. So this link is about a video wherein our airflow, our unique airflow system has been shown, and how our Sharp QNet air purifier is better than other air purifiers in India. So once you get the recorded version of this presentation, you can watch this video. You can get into little detail also about this opportunity. So we move to the next topic. The next topic, which is of critical importance today, is that uh, we have been selling air purifiers now for almost like 5 years, and we know very well that uh, yes, we have been able to successfully sell and use a lot of air purifiers, but still there is a huge opportunity which is currently untapped. There is a latent need which is currently untapped. What I'm trying to say right now to you is that whenever we talk or think about an air purifier, suppose I'm talking about air purifiers, you're listening to air purifiers. So the first thing that comes to our mind is, hey, why do we need an air purifier for of all the things that we buy? So, or some people think that, okay, we can put an air purifier in an home, in our bedroom, but what happens when we go out? So, a lot of people even complain that, okay, I can have an air purifier. I may be getting used to clean air. So when I go out, I have the probability of falling sick or getting sick. So a lot of people feel that, okay, your air purifier is expensive. There are cheaper products available in the market. So what I'm trying to say, that whenever we think of an air purifier, or whenever we talk about an air purifier to a prospect, there are huge number of objections that we face, that are bombed at us. So I want to, in the next 2 minutes, tell you to how we can handle all these objections together in one go, one simple step, by way of handling all the objections related to resistance about buying an air purifier or using an air purifier. What you are seeing right now in the screen is are a list of symptoms, are a list of common symptoms that are found in every, almost in every homes in India. I don't think there are any homes that you will not find a symptom like this, whatever is displayed on this screen. But of course, these symptoms are very limited now. I mean, there are many other symptoms, but most of them are related. So what I'm trying to say, whether you buy an air purifier or not, whether you promote an air purifier or not, is not dependent on the environment that you stay. What I'm trying to mean is, let's say you are staying in a city which is not very polluted, or maybe you are staying at a location in your city which has got a lot of greenery around. Maybe you are staying near a lake, maybe you are staying near a river. It doesn't matter what is your geological position in the environment. What matters most is whether in your home, the occupants in your home are suffering from these symptoms or not. See, we know very well that with the current conditions, with the current lifestyle, falling sick once or twice in a year is quite normal. It is okay to fall sick about once or twice in a year, which is okay. We can't avoid that. But if the number of cases, number of times that increases more than two, it becomes more than two for any of the occupants, be it senior citizens, be it elderly, be it children, then it is time that we think about this. We start thinking about this and looking at what are the preventions available. So I will repeat what I have just told you, just to reiterate what I'm trying to say, that air is the most fundamental substance that is entering into our body from outside. We breathe about 11,000 liters of air every day. And with every breath, a large number of toxins try to enter our body. There is a separate and exclusive immunity system to take care of those impurities which are trying to enter. So the symptoms that we find on your screen right now are only the manifestation of the immune response. What I'm trying to say, you heard me right, it is only the manifestation of the immune response. So when there are impurities trying to enter inside, the immunity is trying to resist it, and the result is the symptoms that you see on the screen. It is similar to when you put when you mix diesel or kerosene in your scooter or your car, it will start giving lot of problems like smoke, or you can say noise or something. So these are the manifestation of poor quality of air entering our body. Am I right? So this is something which is very very important, that air purifier, whether an air purifier can help or not, whether you need an air purifier is not dependent on your geographic position, geological position, or the environment that you are surrounded with. If these symptoms are appearing in your homes more than 1 or 2 times in a year, it is time that we start taking preventions. Because if we don't take preventions right now, the number of symptoms may increase, even the frequency of the symptoms may increase. So there are two choices available to us right now: whether we prevent ourselves by starting to use an air purifier, or allow the immunity system to get weaker and challenged, and thus increasing the number of symptoms. So I am sure you can make a decision, you can make your choice right now after looking at this. So the next question is quite pertinent. How will an air purifier help? It is a very very important question. Okay, we breathe about 11,000 liters a day, we breathe at different kind of locations. How will an air purifier help? We can use an air purifier only at home. We can't carry an air purifier on your neck and carry it all throughout the day. So let us understand, how does an air purifier help? Let me introduce you the Sharp QNet sensational air purifier and the E50 model, which we have exclusively on your e-store. So let us take a short example. When we go to a public toilet in a railway station or near the roadside, so the reaction is very common. We try to reduce the breath, we try to lighten the breath, and we try to increase the gap between the two breaths. The reason we do is that we know that in a public toilet there is huge amount of smell, nasty smell, there are germs, there are infections. So to we unconsciously try to put handkerchief in our nose, or we try to reduce the we try to lighten our breath. The reason we do is very simple. When we go to a public toilet, we cannot ensure that these germs can be completely eliminated from entering our body. We have to breathe inside a toilet. We cannot breathe outside, go to the toilet, do our activity, come out, and then start breathing again. No, we have to necessarily breathe inside a public toilet where we know that there are germs and infections, and we also know that we can't reduce it and make it zero. What we are trying to do is reduce the volume of toxins that enter our body. It is quite simple. It is very very simple. We just try to ignore these actions that our intelligence does, gets it done by our body. So similarly, let's say we breathe about 11,000 liters of air every day through a span of 24 hours, and we breathe in a variety of locations. So suppose we use an air purifier in our living room or bedroom, right? So when we use an air purifier in our home, which the quality of air in is in our control, so then what will happen is the volume of toxins entering the body. Let's say, let me give you an example. Suppose uh, breathing 11,000 liters of day of air in a day is equivalent to smoking 10 cigarettes. I'm sorry, please excuse me. Equivalent to smoking 10 cigarettes a day. When you have an air purifier in your living area and when you have an air purifier in your bedroom, you are only trying to create a better quality of environment around us so that less volume of toxin enter our body. this is exactly what we do when we go to a public toilet. We know that we can't eliminate the entire volume of toxin. What we are trying to do is reduce. So having breathing in a cleaner environment for maybe 8 to 10 hours a day in your living area or in your bedroom will ensure that the volume of toxin can be reduced. It is like smoking 10 cigarettes a day and 5 cigarettes a day. Please don't take this example literally. It is just like a metaphor that I am trying to use, that let's say 11,000 liters of air, toxic air, is like breathing 10 cigarettes a day. By using air purifier in your bedroom and your living area and creating a cleaner environment around you, we are trying to reduce the volume of toxins. So 10 cigarettes to 5 cigarettes. It is just an example. So an air purifier can help produce clean air around us, thus reducing the volume of toxin. But unfortunately, not all air purifiers are designed to deliver what they promise. So this is what we are going to see in the next few minutes, that how is the Sharp QNet air purifier better than other air purifiers available in the market. Okay, so I'll skip this. So let us now understand that air purifier is an intangible product. It doesn't give you any immediate result. Let's say, for example, when we buy an air conditioner, when we fit it, you are able to get cooler air almost instantly. When we buy a mobile phone, we put the SIM card and the entire world is in our fingertips. So unlike these products, air purifier is an exception. Once you buy an air purifier, bring it home, other than giving some display indications, other than showing you the quality of the air inside your room, it doesn't kind of give any instant result. So what we have listed out here are the benefits that you can expect after using the Sharp QNet air purifiers. The first of all, as you know very well, asthma has become a very popular uh, symptom in India. In fact, India is called the asthma capital of the world, which is because 1/3 of the asthma population is in India. 1/3 of the world's asthma population is in India. So, I mean, what I'm trying to say, people who have asthma, people who are currently connected here, maybe there are people in your family, in your friend circle, in your relatives who are having asthma. You will notice that they have a restricted lifestyle. They can't play, they can't stress their lungs, they can't run, they can't walk. I mean, they have a restricted lifestyle. So after using the Sharp QNet air purifier for to 7 to 10 days, you will find that there is a substantial change and there is a substantial reduction in the medication. There will be maybe up to 50% reduction in the frequency of medication. I'm talking about the puff that we take or the inhaler that we take. I see children breathing inhalers. People who have children who has bronchitis, there are children's bronchial asthma is one of the most common asthma symptom among children these days, and doctors prescribe those nebulizers which the children put on like a mask and they start breathing them. This is like a criminal, this is like a criminal activity according to me. I mean, what you are doing is you are only trying to chemically create some temporary relief and with a huge long-term side effect. So using the Sharp QNet air purifier, you will be able to not only reduce the asthma symptoms, but also reduce morning allergy, which is very, very common nowadays. When you wake up, if you ask this question to 10 people, 5 people will say, yes, I wake up with a sneezing or a coughing. This is very common, which after using the air purifier, you can reduce it within 3 to 4 days. So then we go to the next topic. We know that children fall sick more often than adults. So we have discussed about this in our last presentation. I'm not going into too much of detail, but what I'm trying to say is that when a child is born, the first thing that the child consumes is not mother's milk. The first thing that the child consumes is air. The 11,000 liters of air starts getting into the children, into the newborn's body right from the moment the child is born. And we don't have to debate about the quality of the air that we stay in. We don't have to debate about the the sensitivity of the organs that a child has. When a child is born, each and every organs are super sensitive. So when a super sensitive organ is bombarded with huge number of pollutants, especially the lungs, we take care of the kidney, we take care of the other organs that the child has. But what about the most fundamental organ? What about the most fundamental requirement of the child's development? 11,000 liters of air enter the child's lungs every day, and we don't have to debate about the sensitivity of it. And this is the reason the children fall sick more often than adults. Now, when you install a Sharp QNet air purifier in your child's room, you will see a substantial drop in the number of sick days. Let's say if a child falls sick for 4 to 5 times in a year, it is like 20 days in a year. With the air purifier in, and with you, by using the air purifier, you will be able to reduce the volume of impurities entering, so that the immune system will get time, and the immune system will have the resources to develop the lungs properly. I hope I've been able to explain you. The final benefit which you get from using the Sharp QNet air purifier is that when you wake up in an AC room, we wake up with a headache or nasal blockage. You can say breathing discomfort. So within 2 to 3 days, what you will be able to reduce is the breathing discomfort. So to continue getting these benefits, it is very important that you keep using the air purifier, keep cleaning and maintaining the air purifier. So we have videos on the e-store which will help you understand how to clean and maintain the air purifier, where to place the air purifier, how to use it at what fan speed and all that. So I will request all the participants here, whoever are using an air purifier, to continue using it throughout the year. Air purifier is not a seasonal product. Air purifier prevents us, especially in these situations when we are going through such amount of uncertainty, we have become so vulnerable. Air purifiers can definitely help in improving the immunity system. I'm not saying that it will give you some kind of a magic prevention, but at least it will add to our current hygiene management system. So now let us get into a little detail about how the Sharp QNet air purifier is better than other purifiers available in the market. So as you can see in this slide, so there are a variety of pollutants found in indoor air. I'm not going into too much of detail. What I'm only trying to say is the Sharp QNet Sensational and the Sharp QNet E50 will be able to eliminate a variety of indoor impurities, which can be seen in this chart. That these are the I'll be using a pointer, let's say. As you can see here, uh, so these are the various impurities, and these are the percentage, approximate percentage what is found. What you can see that the technologies that are available with us will help eliminate a host of impurities that are found in indoor air. So this is the first benefit that we have. While most other air purifiers have limited effectiveness, the Sharp QNet, both air purifiers, will be able to eliminate a large number of impurities which no other purifier are able to do. So, but this is only a claim. How do we know that yes, it is able to clean the impurities that are found? So we go to the next slide, which says that okay, now whatever claims we are making, we have something called the plasma cluster technology, and we have other passive technology system like the HEPA filter and the other filtration mechanism, we want to tell you that the Sharp plasma cluster technology is not only patented, but it is also natural. It mimics nature. Plasma cluster technology mimics the same volume of same effectiveness what we find in forest. So it has been tested and verified by 32 global labs, including the very recent IIT Delhi certificate, for about which I am going to talk about in a little detail. So what I'm trying to say is that while all other air purifiers have a passive purification system, the Sharp QNet plasma cluster technology will be able to provide an additional benefit, a holistic benefit of elimination of most of the impurities that are available in the air. So here is a link which is valid till May 25, wherein you can download the entire set of certificates. So coming to the IIT Delhi report, IIT Delhi has done a test about the outdoor pollution that is available, that is found in Delhi NCR, primarily in and around Diwali, and stubble burning. So they have found that these are the three most common chemical substances found in Delhi's air around Diwali and when the stubble burning cases happen. So these are the most hazardous also, and these chemicals find their way and enter our homes also. So they have found that after using the plasma cluster technology, they are able to reduce these three polyaromatic hydrocarbons, PAH, these most dangerous chemicals found in outdoor air. They are able to reduce it by 64% to 97% with using the plasma cluster, as you can see from this chart. So this is the very recent study which has been conducted by IIT Delhi, which actually makes plasma cluster more credible. So this is the first such kind of a certificate which is available from India. Earlier we had a test report available from TERI, the Energy Research Institute in India, but this is much more credible. Okay, now I am going to talk about a very important topic, which is particularly common for these period of time, current situation in India. So as you know very well, we have started using air conditioners in our homes. It is almost mid of May. Almost all parts of India, leaving aside the hill stations and all, and northeast, we have started using the air conditioners. And when we use an air conditioner in our home, we know very well that it reduces the humidity. If you would see currently, the humidity levels in your city will be much lower. It will be in the range between 20 to 40% at this moment. Of course, it varies from season to season, but generally the humidity range, uh, particularly in the North India, doesn't exceed more than 60 even during monsoons. What I'm trying to say that when you use an air conditioner, the humidity drops further. And when the humidity drops in our indoor space, we have problems like rashes, skin rashes, eye irritation, headache, throat dryness, a variety of symptoms, a variety of symptoms. It could be anything which is related to the upper respiratory system. I mean, from your throat to up to the head. So these happen because the comfortable humidity range for humans is between 40% to 50%, 40% to 65%. This is the comfortable humidity range, and this is the Government of India directive, which is with the link of which is available on your screen right now here on this slide. So you can go through this, you can read this article thoroughly, where government has given a guideline that how important is humidity control in a closed air conditioned environment. So this is where the Sharp sensational air purifier comes handy, and this is going to create a very important benefit for us while we are in an air conditioned room. So these are certain promotional materials which we have created, which of course we will circulate soon, and we wanted to show you this promotional material. But what I'm trying to tell you is that after using the air conditioner, the humidity drops, which results in a lot of side effects like eye rashes and many others. After using the sensational, after having the sensational, after using the humidity management system in the sensational, you will be able to manage the humidity at these levels. So as you can see on the screen, this will be able to manage. And especially, we have a very unique humidity control system. I'm not going into too detail about it, but the humidity management is through evaporation. It is not like sprinkling of waters. It is an evaporation technique where it doesn't become sticky and the humidity level will never increase. Even if you use the humidity function in monsoon, the humidity level will not increase because it will be able to manage the evaporation process will reduce. Hope I have been able to explain this very important information, that the sensational, which is equipped with the humidity management system, will be able to manage the humidity and reduce these common symptoms which we find, which is very common now in India. Okay, so as you know very well, for sensational, we have the 7 detection system. It includes, I was talking about the humidity management system. So if you are using the intelligent mode, it will also sense the humidity level. As people who are using it, who knows that there is a display on the panel which gives the level of the current humidity in your room. So this is one unique benefit which is not available with any other air purifiers across the world. It detects a variety of conditions in the room and it will operate the air purifier accordingly. Then we move to the next benefit. The next benefit is we have a chain of filters starting from the pre-filter, then we have the Panda filter and a special HEPA filter. So as we have been discussing about this on previous presentations also, that the life of the filter is 10 years, and we have a certificate, seal of approval certificate from the Allergy UK or British Allergy Foundation, which means that this is the best air purification system for reducing asthma, allergy symptoms and many other respiratory symptoms. So this is the second and the third benefit that we have. And coming to summarize about the benefits, it is like the intelligent sensor which manages the condition of the room and it will operate the purifier accordingly. 10 years of filter life in case of sensational and 5 years of filter life in case of the E50 model which is available. Uh, the humidity control available in sensational, which we discussed a little while ago. Currently, we are offering a 3 years on-site warranty, which we are giving an additional 1 year on-site warranty. I would request all of you to avail this warranty mechanism. The Sharp service toll-free number is pasted, a sticker is pasted on your product. So if you have any questions, if you have any queries related to the air purifier, related to where to place the air purifier, how to use it, what are the maintenances, please call us. We are waiting for you. So then we have the Panda filter, which is very unique. I want to tell you that this filter, the Panda filter, is not available with any other air purifier in India. So this Panda filter is a very special filter which takes care of very poisonous gases. The poisonous gases could be anything: ethyl benzene, xylene, and many other poisonous gases. So Panda filter takes care of some of the poisonous gases which even plasma cluster technology can't. So this is the benefit of the Panda filter, which actually increases the efficiency of the sensational air purifier. The Panda filter is available only in the sensational model. So moving on, so summarizing it, and then the HEPA filter. HEPA filter also is very special. The reason why we are claiming that it has a rated life of 10 years is that it has a special charge system where the blockage will not happen. The pores will remain free. So there will be no drop in the air cleaning speed. So these are the group of people who will benefit from using the Sharp QNet air purifiers, but of course, including healthy people. So we know very well, we have discussed already about asthma. pet owners. We have certificates. When you download the copy of the certificates, you will see that we have certificate confirming that pet smell and pet bacteria can be reduced by plasma cluster. Especially for newborn children, we have already discussed. We have discussed about the common symptoms like nasal blockage, throat infection, morning allergy. So these are the group of people who can benefit from this. And second-hand smokers, this is very important. A lot of people tell me that no, I don't smoke at home. But even if you don't smoke at home, when you smoke outside and enter your room, when you're talking or when you are breathing out, the smoke smell, the cigarette smell is going around. And if there are children, if there are elders in the room, they will be able to inhale the smoke, inhale the cigarette smell. So the air purifier in the room will reduce cross infection in such cases. Especially, I want to tell you that we are more aware about cross infection, social distancing, immunity these days. Thanks to this lockdown and thanks to this coronavirus, that we are now able to relate about cross infection much more effectively than we were able to do it before lockdown or before the coronavirus episode. So especially for IT server rooms, whenever you have a requirement with IT server rooms, I would request you to get in touch with with our team. We will be able to guide you how to propose in an IT server room. But I want to just tell you that yes, it will reduce the failure of hard disk and motherboards when you use the Sharp QNet air purifier in the IT server rooms. And in an hospital, it can reduce cross infection. It can reduce, it can improve the quality of the patient care. Okay, so I think we have now come to the end of the presentation. So these are the points which we have already discussed, that the efficiency in our case is better. We have got not only the plasma cluster technology, but we have the mechanical filtration system also. We have those Panda filters, we have the special HEPA filters, and all our claims are verified by third-party labs. Life of filters, we have 5 years filter life and we have 10 years of filter life, where the running cost is quite cheaper. Although yes, this is a very important factor while buying an air purifier, the running cost and the service commitment from the company. We have a well established service network. Wherever you are in India, we will be able to service you. We'll providing you on-site service. Whenever there is a problem, you just need to call our toll-free number and register a complaint. So sir, we can now take the questions if there are any. I hope I've been able to
Okay, Mr.
complete.
Mazumdar, great. I mean, the fitting product. Yes, you did. Okay. So it's a wonderful product actually to own. So there are a few questions actually. I will just go through it. Deepak Vishwakarma, I think his question is not very clear, but I will just read it out. I have dry cough issue. I have the issue of morning sneezing. So will it be good for that? That is what you must have meant.
Morning sneezing is called morning allergy, which we discussed already. Once you start using Sharp QNet air purifier, you will be able to see a difference. You will be able to see a reduction in that within 3 to 4 days.
Yeah. So what about dry cough?
So within 3 to 4 days after using the Sharp QNet air purifier, but whenever you buy the purifier, please call our toll-free number. Our people will visit your home. They will give you a proper guideline as to how best you can use the air purifier, where to place it. I have not got into those details today because of limitations of time, but please, before, it is very important that to continue getting the benefits, you need to do a certain amount of maintenance. Like we charge our mobile phone every day, it is very important to clean our air purifiers also at least once a week or at least once in 2 weeks, so that we keep continuing getting the results. Over to you, sir.
Yeah. So the next question is, can I maintain the purified air temperature as per my requirement? The question is asked by Mr. Vaibhav.
Purified
Can I
air
maintain? Yeah, can I maintain the purified air temperature as per my requirement from this purifier? The purified air temperature.
The purified
Uh,
air doesn't have any temperature. The temperature of your room
yeah,
depends on the environment, whether you are living in a cold environment or whether you are living in a dry, warm environment. So the temperature will air purifier doesn't have any role in the temperature and the humidity control. The only the sensational have humidity control, but otherwise temperature air purifier doesn't have any control. Temperature will be managed by either the environment or if you are using an air conditioner. But
exactly.
but
This is a
it is
room.
very necessary to
This
run
is
the
a room air
purifier.
purifier.
Huh?
So the temperature will be of that particular room actually. You know, whatever temperature is there in that room, that will be the
Correct,
temperature.
correct.
All right. Okay. So I think, Mr. Vaibhav, that answer is very clear now.
Huh.
So some people are asking, okay, they are not able to listen completely due to the network issue. Request for the recording. Yes, all participants will receive the recording on mail. All right. So next question is from Mr. Harsha Jha. He is asking, 10-year filter life for both air purifiers? No. 10-year is for Sensational and 5-year is for the basic model E50E.
Correct.
Am I right, Mr. Mazumdar? All
Yes,
right.
sir. So
So
there
next question is from Mr. Abhishek Kumar. Mr. Abhishek Kumar. There are other sharp purifiers available with humidifier and plasma cluster technology. How to justify the premium price of Sensational apart from the fact that its filter life is 10 years?
this is a very good question. In fact, I had addressed this question. I have told that uh, this is one of the benefit. The first benefit is the Panda filter. The second benefit is the charged HEPA filter. The third benefit is the life of the filters. The fourth benefit is the sensors, the detection that we have. The fifth benefit is the humidity management system. Yes, we do have another model with a humidifying system, which is sold in the open market, but that humidity management is not that effective, and that is also for a very small capacity of room. But the humidity management, I didn't get into too much of detail on this, but the humidity management in Sensational is much more advanced. The evaporation technique, the speed at which it will be able to manage the humidity level in the room is much better than the other humidifier available. So I hope I've been able to answer. These are the five, six.
And
Apart
Mr.
three
Mazumdar, to
points
add to
we
all
answered.
these things, I mean, we give
Sorry, sir.
to add we give on-site service, right? On-site
Yes,
warranty.
yes,
All right.
yes, sir.
That is also one of the key features, yeah,
So
for a customer.
Sandeep is asking one question which I have already covered, that you have to call our toll-free number. We have a national toll-free number. Once you call, you will receive home service. You don't have to take the air purifier to any service center. Over to you, sir.
All right. The next question is from Mr. Arun Singh. He is saying that my mom's lungs are damaged by 90%. Will you take some care of her lungs?
See, air purifier is not a treatment solution. It is a prevention. But what we can definitely tell you, I am sure that if the lung capacity is reduced to 10% right now, she must be using a oxygen concentrator machine in her room. So when the oxygen concentration machine is used, the air purifier will definitely help create a better quality of air around the oxygen concentrator. So impurities will not enter. So currently what is happening, the oxygen concentrator is giving you oxygen, but apart from it is also probably giving some impurities. But yes, there are oxygen concentrators with some filtration, basic filtration system, but the oxygen which is pushed in also has certain level of impurities. So if you use the air purifier along with the oxygen concentrator in your mother's room, it will reduce the volume of impurities entering the lungs. So maybe she'll be able to feel better, but we don't promise anything that yes, the situation will improve, but it will definitely help. I hope I've been able to logically explain you this situation. Over to you,
I
sir.
also think so, Mr. Mazumdar. Yeah, yeah. So the next question is from Mr. Ayush Sethi. What is the difference between E50 model and sensational? I think you have already explained this, right?
Yes, we have already explained this. The major
Yes.
differences are the life of the filter, the humidity function, and the Panda filter is not there in that, and the charged HEPA is also not there, and it is for a smaller capacity. Sensational is for a higher capacity. But both the
All
models
right.
can be either in the living room or in the drawing room also. So you must have one
Yeah.
for the living area and one for the drawing room area. Sorry, one for the bedroom area.
All right. So Mr. Rishabh Jain is asking, can we use it for, can we use it along with AC, air conditioners?
Absolutely. I mean, that is the main purpose of an air purifier. If we use AC to make ourselves comfortable, but the AC rooms are the most polluted. So air purifier is most useful in a AC room, and it will give you instant benefits also. Over to you, sir.
Right. So next question is from Mrs. Sumanta Mukherjee. She's asking, how long should I keep it on? I'm already using Sharp QNet sensational air purifier. So how much
Very good
time should be kept
question, sir.
on?
Very good question, sir. See, it is important to ventilate your homes. Whenever you are using the kitchen, try to ventilate your home as much as possible because the kitchen smoke should not be trapped inside the home. So at least I recommend that 4 to 5 hours a day, the home should be properly ventilated. And or at all other times, you can use the air purifier. So let's say if there are grandparents, if there are elderly in your home who are using the drawing room during the day and the bedroom during the night, so you can use it. But during kitchen usage, ventilate, and while using agarbatti, please stop the purifier. At all other times, you can use the purifier. I
Right.
hope I answer. And
Yes, yes.
fundamentally the air purifier is designed for 247 365 operation. So even if you are living in a place where it is not ventilated, it is closed, you can use it 24 into 7. Over to you, sir.
Right. So next question is from Minal Sharma. Minal is asking, I would like to know in current times, which means COVID times, how can we pitch this to hospitals, offices, and doctors and clinics, especially for institutions? Yeah.
In this situation, see, we are not claiming that we can reduce COVID-19. That we had a certificate of coronavirus which is dated 2004. The current strain is different, so we can't claim about COVID-19. But we have started the trials already. We don't know when the results will come. We are quite optimistic, but definitely as a general prevention and to reduce cross infection, air purifiers can be used not only in at your home, even in offices, even in hospital areas. Especially we covered the topic about doctors, dentists, ophthalmologists, everybody in the if you look at the medical fraternity, they can reduce cross infection. But please don't make any commitment about COVID-19.
Yeah. So indoors, you can use this, I mean, wherever
See,
clinics,
coronavirus,
hospitals.
the priorities right now about coronavirus is to get rid of coronavirus now. So, although we have started our tests, but we don't know by when we will be able to get the results. Even every day today also, even after almost 6 months have gone that we have identified coronavirus, every day new information is coming about coronavirus DNA and
Mhm.
RNA. So I think more
Yes.
information is necessary. So as of now, we can use it only as a prevention and to reduce cross infection.
Yes.
But yes, if the air is
The other question is,
recirculated,
yeah, Mr. Mazumdar.
I'm saying that if after recirculation, it there is a probability that it might get trapped in the filters, but we can't commit on that. So I think there is a question from Mr.
Uh,
Sunil Nair that this PPT will be available on the e-store, right, sir?
No, that will be sent to the participants actually.
Okay,
It
okay.
will be sent
Yes.
to all the participants. Yeah, along with the presentation, right? So I have purchased the product in March, but I still didn't receive the product in Chennai. What to do? This is from Akshay Jain. Akshay, because of the lockdown, we are facing a lot of issues. I think you must receive this immediately because we've started deliveries. So you should get it anytime. If really, you can contact India Support Center and check the status. And delay in dispatches, you know why it happened because we really regret the delay. All right, it's because of the lockdown and transportation. Yeah.
So there is a
Will it
question
also
from
cool the
Jatin.
air? Mr. Gupta Patil is asking, will it also cool the air?
No, no, it will not cool. But yes, since it has a humidifying function, if you are using it in tandem with the air conditioner, you can actually use the air conditioner at 26 and 27 degrees. Without humidifier, normally we use the AC at 18 to 20 degrees. But when you use the humidifying function, you can increase the temperature to 26 or 27. So it will assist in creating a better cooling efficiency. This is very important, I think, which I missed in my presentation, that it will make the air conditioned room efficient, and AC's electricity cost will also reduce. So this is a very important point. Thank you, Gurdeep,
Mr. Gundra, Gundra
Mr.
Patil.
Mr. Patil, for asking this question. So there is one
Yeah,
question
very
from
good question.
Mr. Jatin Shekhar, who says that
We can include this. We can include this in the next presentation, Mr. Mazumdar.
right, we'll do that.
This
We'll do
part.
that. Right, we'll do that.
And next
So
question from Anandita. She's asking, I mean, what is the running cost? Can you please explain the running cost of this?
running cost, you see, if you, yeah, if you have seen Sensational, the rated life of the filter is 10 years. So you can calculate, let's say, if I, even if I consider that the life in Indian condition, if the rated life is 10 years mentioned, if it in Indian condition, if we consider it to be, let's say, 6 years or 7 years, if you divide the price, the cost that you pay for Sensational, divide it by, let's say, 6 years or 7 years. So, and you will arrive at a figure of, let's say, 15,000 rupees a year. Let's say, for example, 15,000 a year means how many, maybe about 1,500 rupees a month. So 1,500 rupees a month means 1,500 divided by 30. So about 50 rupees a day. This is your running cost.
Okay.
Am I right?
So I think we have 3 more minutes to go, and we have few more questions to answer, Mr. Mazumdar. So I'll just quickly, is it better than Zain air purifier that is available in QNET? No, these two are different technologies, and it all depends on you which one to go for. Both are very good. So you can choose your air purifier. So each our customer service operating in Hyderabad. Mr. Memori is asking, Mr.
We
Mazumdar.
have customer service at all the locations across India. Across India, 19,000 pin codes we have service and service locations. They will go to your home and service.
One more
But
question from Jatin. He's asking, how is it different from model DWJ20FM apart
sir,
from Panda filter?
DWJ20 is a dehumidifier. It is a dehumidifier. It is a dehumidifying device. Dehumidifying device meant for a 250 square feet room or 250 to 300 square feet room. So that product category is entirely, there is no
Yeah, one is
comparison.
dehumidifier and this is humidifier. Yeah.
Uh,
What is the use of this product in IT server rooms? Can it be
I,
helpful?
ideally, dehumidifier is not necessary because the air conditioner itself takes care of the humidity control, reducing the humidity. So,
Yeah, Mrs. Suresh Nair is asking, what is the operating temperature range?
operating temperature range is from 5 degrees to 45 degrees.
And when it exceeds, like place in Delhi and all. I mean, up north.
It will not exceed 45 degrees. Indoor temperature will be within 45 degrees.
Yes, yes, indoor temperature. That is more important actually. Mrs. Suresh, you please note, indoor temperature is more important.
Hmm.
This is the indoor air purifier. So
Hmm.
that is very important. Okay. Then I have plasma plus air purifier. How can I clean the air purifier? Also, if the internal filter is replacement, how to order new HEPA filter.
So this, I think you
So
answered.
yeah, so this air filter, I mean internal filter will be available in the India e-store very soon as RSP. So you can look for that or any specifics. You can always call India Support Center. We'll make it happen. So what is the life of HEPA filter? I have a sensation purifier. The HEPA filter got black in a year. I live in Noida. Juhi Agarwal is asking this question.
Julie, the getting black is quite normal. Huh? Blackening of the filter is quite normal. But if the air pressure reduces, there is a filter life indicator also, but air pressure reduces, or if there is a very odd smell coming from the purifier, then only you need to change the filter. Otherwise, just expose the filter into bright sunlight once in 10 to 15 days. It will increase the efficiency of the filter. So whoever is has
Yeah,
purchased the
so
air
the next
purifier
question
from
is
the
from
wholesale,
Deepak.
just one point I want to mention: whoever has an air purifier, please expose the HEPA filter once in 10 days for 2 to 3 hours a day. It will increase the efficiency of the HEPA filter.
All
Yes,
right.
sir.
Yeah. So next question is that what is benefit if we are staying in green area called Himalayas? There's a
I think
very
I started the
good
presentation.
question actually. Mr. Ritundar Koda is asking.
It is immaterial whether you are staying in a green area or a polluted area. You need to see whether there are respiratory symptoms in your home. If there are respiratory symptoms, I think the presentation started like with this. If there are respiratory symptoms, then you need to think about it, and then an air purifier can help prevent it. Over to you, sir.
Okay. Does our air purifier help in curing skin diseases? Skin diseases.
See, our plasma cluster technology has also got certified from Soiken, Japan, Soiken Lab, Japan, that it can improve the quality and texture of the skin. But how far it will be able to reduce the skin disease, that we can't commit right now. You can download the copy of the
I
certificates
think there is a
and you can
lag
show
in
it to your
the
doctor.
yeah.
You can show it to your doctor, or you can check. But yes, definitely plasma cluster technology has been certified to improve the quality of the skin. So maybe it helps, maybe not, we don't know, but you can download the certificate and verify with your doctor. Over to you,
All
sir.
right. Can we use ceiling fan and use the air purifier? Can we use ceiling fan and use air purifier? Won't the air flow from fan hinder purifying capabilities?
Yeah, you can
Question
definitely
asked by
do.
Mr. Dinesh.
Yeah, you can use the ceiling fan and the air purifier together. There is absolutely no problem. But the air purifier has a very unique airflow, which ensures that it will be able to clean the entire room. So it doesn't need any assistance from the ceiling fan. What I'm trying to say, even if you use the ceiling fan also is okay, even if you don't use also is okay. It doesn't need any assistance. But
Yes,
it's okay, but it has a very unique airflow.
right. So does it capacity varies based on the room size? Mr. Bhattacharya is asking this question.
Yeah, see what we have, the model that we are offering, if E50 covers 450. This is the optimum room size which it can do. And Sensational takes care of 540 square feet. So if you use it in a smaller area, the efficiency will be more. If you use it in a larger area, the efficiency will be less.
All right. Mr. J. Thomas is asking why 1000 BV product is costing this much. Mr. J. Thoma, this is 1500 BV, not 1000 BV. We have the basic model at 500 BV and sensational at 1500 BV. It is not 1000 BV. Please make a note. And many questions are on the cost of air purifier. I mean, you can check your restore because we are running out of time. How much? Okay, air purifier, natural air. See, most of the questions, some of the questions are common. So I'm just
There is one question, sir, that
yeah.
Dharmendra Singh is asking, H1N1, is it useful in sense for we have swine flu or
Yes,
general flu? Yes, we have certificates for
yes,
H1N1 swine flu also, which you can download. I have shared the download link during the presentation, or you can also download from the e-store. We have certificates with plasma cluster being effective on H1N1. Over to you,
yeah.
sir.
And it is answered Dharmendra Singh's query. Then how much electricity consumption, everything is common. We already said about the electricity consumption. You can check with the. Okay, then I think yeah, most of the questions are answered. Some questions are common, so that also be answered. And most importantly, before using the product, you please go through the product manual
I want to
thoroughly
add
and
one
use the
point
product.
if you allow. Sir, I want to add one point if
Yes,
you
please.
allow.
Please,
Sir,
please.
I want to add one point. There are a few questions
Yeah,
which I
please,
saw
please.
that heart disease. See, I want to tell you that we are dependent on three things with the environment: food, air, and water. And out of which food and water is very limited quantity, whereas air is like 1,000 liters, is 11,000 liters a day. So the volume of air entering our body from outside is maximum, and it can carry a lot of germs into our body. So whether a person is suffering from heart disease or whether a person is suffering from kidney disease or whatever, the body is trying to repair itself. If suppose you had an operation, you have come back from an operation, and the body is trying to repair itself, recuperate. So during that time, the most voluminous substance which is entering our body, if it carries a lot of poisonous substances into the body, it can hamper the treatment process, it can hamper the recovery. So if the 11,000 liters of air is cleaned by an air purifier and the immunity can be rested, it can definitely help in the recovery of a patient. It can definitely help if somebody is suffering from any other disease or so, because air is the most fundamental thing for our body and the most voluminous thing for our body. That is very important. Thank you so much, sir.
Very true. Very true, Mr. Mazumdar. One more question. Can we use this while open the windows?
This is a very good question. You, as I said, the air purifier will be most effective in an air-conditioned environment where the room is closed. If the suppose if the door and window both are open, then it is cross ventilation. You should not use the air purifier during that time. If the door is closed and the window is open, keep the purifier closer to the door. If the window is closed, the door is open, keep the purifier closer to the window, but place it at an area where it is visible from each and every part of the room so that it can actually circulate the air properly. I hope I've been able to answer.
Yes. Can it be used 24 hours a day?
Yes, yes, we have answered that already. 247, 365. These are designed for
Yes.
247, 365 days operation. Server room,
Yes.
I think there
Yes.
was a question about server room. I said that it can reduce the hard
That
disk
was
failure.
answered actually, Mr. Mazumdar.
Huh? Sorry, sir.
Yeah, that question is answered actually.
Okay, okay, yes.
Uh, all right. So, okay. So, see, most of the questions are remaining questions are based on the consumption, electricity consumption, how much it cost per day. So, you can give a rough estimate, Mr. Mazumdar,
How much
power
cost per
consumption
day? We
based on power
calculated.
consumption.
Power consumption is nothing. Power consumption is like a tube light. It is within 50 watts. It is less than 45 watts. Power consumption
Yeah.
is not a very important factor in an air purifier at all. If you use
Yes.
it for, let's say, even 16 hours a day or 20 hours a day, it will consume about 10 to 12 units in a month.
Hmm. Now the last question, Mr. Mazumdar, Mr. Bemuri is asking, what is the benefit of humidifier? I think you already answered this question in your presentation,
Huh.
but again, you can know. And one using automatic mode, what is the purpose of humidifier? Please explain.
You want me to explain again? Do you
Yeah,
want me
you
to
can
explain?
just briefly, yeah.
See, what happens that in
Benefit of
when
humidifier, and when it is put on automatic mode, then is it required?
yes, 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 yes. I'll do that. I'll do that. So let's say there is a automatic mode wherein it senses the condition of the room. Not only humidifier, it senses the temperature, humidity, motion. There is motion sensor also. There is light sensor also. There are PM 2.5 sensors. There are dust sensors, smell sensors. So after detecting the condition of the room, it operates automatically. Especially the humidity function, if, as you know very well, that in an air conditioned room, the humidity drops. Whatever is your ambient humidity, let's say at this time in Delhi, the humidity level is about 10 to 12%. Right now the relative humidity in Delhi NCR is 12%. So if we use the air conditioner at this stage, it will further reduce the humidity. So the humidifying, and we have a comfortable, our comfortable humidity range is 45 to 65. If we stay for a longer duration of time in a less humid environment, we can have eye irritation, throat dryness, skin irritation, or even headache. So using the humidifying function, using the natural evaporation method of humidifying function in the sensational, you can manage the humidity between 45 to 65%. Not only that, you can actually use the AC at a higher temperature, because once the room is humidified, the cooling efficiency will increase. Like as of now, the humidity is less, so water droplets in your room is much lesser. So if the humidifying function starts, the water droplets will increase in the room, and the air conditioner can increase, you can increase the temperature of the air conditioner, thus reducing the electricity consumption. I hope I've been able to explain, sir. Hello, sir.
So,
Hello.
yeah, Mr. Mazumdar, that's all. So thank you so much. And
Thank
we
you,
hope
sir.
that all your questions are
It is my
answered.
pleasure. It is my
Okay.
pleasure.
You can
I
always
I
contact.
I, I will look forward to seeing you all again.
Yeah, you can always contact India Support Center for more. Thank you so much. Stay safe.